Hello guys, here's my phone Samsung Galaxy A80. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Open box and click completion. Device in the black color. In completion you have adapter for charging, headphones and USB Type-C cable for charging. Device made glass. This camera. On the front side display 6.7 inch. On the left side key for volume key. On the right side power key. Downside port USB Type-C. Slot for 2 nano SIM card. Speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Super AMOLED display. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. Android 9. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. This is octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores. CPU speed 1.7 and 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 618. Resolution and display PPA. Okay, look results. Single core score and multi-core score, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Okay, close this and open onto the benchmark. Okay, onto the results. Look onto the score, ranking. Device 26 places. And device support 10 touches. Okay, very good. Open demanded game, Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Okay, game works very good, smooth. Its max graphic level, work without problems. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Double camera. 48 megapixels and 8 megapixels, and front camera. Main camera is front camera. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.